But Sister Norina is somebody who helped me understand my offer and understand my client avatar.
She's always quick response to me if I have any problem. Thank you, Miss Norina Kamal, for supporting me.
Norina is just fantastic in this area.
So if any one of you looking for a high ticket sale, you need to connect with Norina. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
And this video is a quick testimonial for Noreen Kawal.
This testimonial is for Norina. She helped me a lot to grow my business.
This is a testimonial for Norina Kamal. So before I tell you how my experience has been with her, I would give you a bit of a background. So I've been observing her for a very long time, and she was very consistent.
Until Norina came into my life. Norina Kamal is an amazing guide, mentor, teacher. She's a great leader.
And this is testimonial affiliate marketing with Norina Kamal.
I'm just going to make a testimonial video for Norina Di. I reached Norina Di. She helped me with that, and she explained everything in a very simple way. Always helped me through a video chat. That's really grateful for me. And she's a great mentor. Thank you so much, Di, for your time and for your effort.
Right now, this is all about Norina Di. I would highly recommend to all those people who didn't attend this training, get a session with Norina Di or Rabil Qureshi, because you need that session.
If you're thinking about starting an online marketing business or just online business of some kind, check out Norina's training, and I highly recommend it. If you want to get started, hit Norina up. I'll put the link below.
Hope this helps, and keep this training program, a workshop, very useful, and recommend the others as well to join. Thank you.
And I recommended all the beginners, if you get a chance to do this, then do this. Thank you to Norina Kamal.
And I highly recommend everyone to join this training. And I'm really very happy with Norina. Hope it helps for everyone. Thanks very much, and bye for now.
Hey guys, this testimonial for Norina, and I will highly recommend you guys, if you want to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, Norina is the right choice.
And yes, Norina, she's excellent coach, and I recommend her. You can definitely join with her for your learning, and she's definitely a better coach. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So if you are a business owner or you are into coaching and consulting, I would recommend to go on a call with her. She is the best person. So yeah.
This testimonial is for Norina, my mentor. Thank you so much. I have so much clarity from your coaching that I'm able to put it into my business and practice, and I've actually been getting results. So I wanted to thank you so much from the heart. Thank you for your compassion, and I hope to work with you more in the future. Goodbye.